Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to back up favorites in Firefox so you can keep your saved websites safe and easily restore them anytime. Step 1. Open Firefox and click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where bookmark and browser options are available. Step 2. Click Bookmarks from the menu, then select Manage Bookmarks. This opens the library window where all your favorites are stored. Step 3. In the library window, click Import and Backup at the top. This option lets you create a backup of your saved favorites. Step 4. Select Export Bookmarks to HTML from the list. This saves your favorites in a file that can be imported later. Step 5. Choose a location on your computer. Give the file a name and click Save. Your Firefox favorites are now successfully backed up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.